Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome with a new clip set. Please, before we start, as usual, I will ask you to like, subscribe, and share, comment if you have, and turn on notification. Okay, today I have this nice problem. It's from Mathematical Olympiad, some day, somewhere. I just found that on the internet. I like it so much. I want you to give that a try. Try it hard. It's not very hard, but try that yourself first. Pause the video, and then continue to watch how to solve this one. Okay, I will assume you did. Let's start. He's asking for the roots for the function. The roots mean the values of x. So assume this function equal to 0 as equation and try to solve for x. Since this is a multiple choice, so I know the roots is among pi and pi squared and the pi cubed. I see pi squared is in everywhere here. So I will keep that in mind and try to factorize that according that I know the roots are just single terms like 1 or pi squared or pi cubed or -1 among these roots. So I will start by grouping pi cubed and x cubed. This yield the famous expression of the sum of two cubes. So let's write that in order. X or pi cubed minus x cubed, consider that a group, and the rest are another group. So that will be, let's start with the lower power of x, because this one is with the least power of x. So I will start with negative and pi plus pi squared plus pi cubed, okay, as well as x. That will be plus the other group, which is 1 plus pi squared times x squared. Nice. Then I will factorize the first expression. Let's start here. It will be pi minus x, the famous formula for difference of two cubes. Here is pi squared plus pi x plus x squared. Most of you know this pretty well. And the other one, I know that there is a pi common factor in the first. And when you factor that pi, it will be 1 plus pi plus x squared, just like the second one. So if I take plus x and make that minus x, which will be much faster, minus x, and the long bracket here, 1 plus pi squared, as a common factor from both terms. From the first term, negative is out, x is out. This bracket, I factor the whole bracket out, and I will leave just pi in. The second one, it will be minus because I already factor out negative. So plus divided minus is negative. And 1 plus pi squared is out here. So x squared divided by x is only x. And as you can see, I can find this common factor here and here. Okay, let's factor out this one, pi minus x. Be careful of that negative. I'm going to distribute this now. So the first term will be pi squared plus pi x plus x squared, and then the distribution will be negative x minus pi x minus x pi squared. Let's see if we have some, sometimes we can cancel. I can cancel pi x. That's it, nothing else. So let's factorize the rest. So it will be pi minus x. And here I have one term of x squared. And I have x and also minus pi squared x. So I will take x and write here 1 plus pi squared. That from this one and this one. Now we have only pi squared left, so it's plus pi squared. To factorize this one, it's a quadratic. X is x times x. And I need to factorize pi squared to two factors with sum of 1 plus pi squared. So I know pi squared can be factored to 1 times pi squared or pi times pi. So in this case, it's not pi times pi for sure because it's not a perfect square. So it will be 1 times pi squared. And because of this negative sign here, both brackets should be in negative. You can make sure that we didn't mistake that by re-multiplying this. X times x is here, negative pi times negative pi squared is pi squared, and the means and the extremes are negative x and negative pi squared x, which add up to this middle term. So we have that equals 0 at the end of the equation. So that means x equal pi from the first, or x equal 1, or x equal pi squared. 1 and the pi squared. So by taking back us to the choices here, we can find that the first choice is the correct choice. I hope you enjoyed that. Please leave a comment and like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Enjoy. Bye-bye.